What's up everybody, this is Mike, and today, as you can see, we are on this beautiful beach. I came here to take a nice walk with my girlfriend and my dog, and I took my two drones that I have, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and the DJI Spark. So why did I take both of these drones, you might ask? The reason is pretty simple. I think both of these drones are capable of taking some great shots, and even though the Spark is significantly cheaper than the Mavic 2 Pro, I still, to this date, I continue to get comments on my YouTube videos from people saying that they really enjoy the quality of the Spark. How sharp it is, how beautiful the image looks, and generally the type of footage that you can get from the Spark, they just like it. So in today's video, I will try to compare what you can achieve with just the Spark and also with the Mavic 2 Pro, and then we'll get to decide together whether the price really makes a huge difference when it comes to drones. So if you're not filming for a project that requires a special, very professional look, you might get away with the Spark and the type of footage that you can get from it. So if you're just shooting for your YouTube videos, for your family videos, then the Spark is just as good as any other drone. So I will try to demonstrate that in today's video, and we'll see the results later together. So without any further ado, let's go. For this video, I decided to do something that I'm aware many people do nowadays, and that is to film all footage in auto mode. I didn't use any filters on any of the drones, and I filmed in normal color profile, so the footage you're seeing is straight from the drone. There's no color grading or any other effect added on top of it. The reason why I did this is not only to demonstrate the importance of shooting with manual settings, filters and color grading afterwards, but also to showcase that a $399 drone is almost on par with a $1,500 drone. I mean, look at this. There really isn't that much of a difference between those two shots. Yes, the colors are a bit different on the Spark, and you can certainly get more details in the shadows and the highlights with the Mavic 2 Pro, but does that really justify this huge price difference? My main point is that if you use your $1,500 drone with automatic settings and normal color profile, you might as well save some cash and just get the Spark or any other similarly priced drone that can do the job just fine. The real power of the Mavic 2 Pro, of course, is unlocked when you shoot with the right aperture and shutter speed. You shoot in D-Log M and spend some time in front of your computer, color grading and tweaking your footage in a way that squeezes 100% of the data you've captured. It was an interesting experiment for me to check out how the Spark will look against the Mavic 2 Pro, and after examining the footage, I have to say I'm still impressed with the Spark. If there's one thing I definitely want improved in the next iteration of the Spark, that's OcuSync 2.0. Because with the range of the Mavics, this drone will become a must-have quadcopter for any casual flyer. Right now, the biggest problem I have is the choppy transmission signal, because as soon as I go to about 200-300 meters away, the transmission starts to stutter, you lose the image on the screen, and you have to stop and go back before you lose the drone. That's something that I definitely see as the biggest weakness of the Spark, and not so much the 2-axis gimbal or the lack of 4K. Those are things that I can take. For now though, I leave it up to you to decide which drone is more suitable for you and which one fits your own style best. If you're just looking for nice footage that you can share straight from the SD card without any tweaking, then maybe the Spark can do the job just fine for you. However, if you're looking for something extra, something more out of your shots, then feel free to dive into the world of filters, LUTs, effects, and all the countless hours that come with editing the footage properly. For me, it's worth it. That being said, guys, don't forget to subscribe. check out the link in the description because I'm actually giving away a DJI Spark, Rise Tello, and some merch from my online store. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll catch you in my next one. Ciao!